to sign up for Figma account? Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Figma account. Figma is a powerful web-based collaborative design tool which is used for creating and prototyping websites, mobile application and other digital products. Here's how you can sign up for Figma account. First of all, ensure that you have already installed Figma application on your Windows PC. After doing that, now simply open the Figma application on your device. Soon after opening the application, you will be presented with this interface on your screen. Here, since we are going to create a new account, simply click on this create one link at the bottom. By doing that, now you will be redirected to a browser. Now here you will be able to see this interface on your screen. Here, since we are going to create account, again you will need to click on this create one link at the very bottom. By doing so, now here you will be asked to enter your email address. Simply enter your email address in this field and then click on this continue with email button right here. After that, create a strong password for your account. Once after creating a password, simply click on create account button right here. After that, a captcha will be loaded and then in order to complete the account setup, a link will be sent to your email address. You may simply click on this open Gmail button right here in order to directly go to the inbox of your email. Here, once it is opened, here click on the email from Figma and then inside it, now you will need to verify your email address. Simply click on this verify email button right here in order to verify it. You will be redirected to new page. After successful verification of your email, you will land on this page. Here you can see the account has been successfully created. You just simply need to click on this open the desktop app button right here in order to log into your Figma account. A pop-up will appear soon after doing that. Simply click on open Figma right here and then you will land on this page. Now you can add the username for your account. Simply click on this box and enter the username. After that, click on this continue button at the bottom right. Here you can select the purpose to use the Figma application and then click on this continue button again. Also choose your type of school and click on this continue to proceed further. Here, if you would like to invite others to join Figma, you can enter their email address and then click on continue. If not, you can simply click on the skip for now. Here, select how often do you use Figma. Simply select one of these options and click on continue button. Also, regarding the pricing and extra features, Figma offers a free starter plan which is suitable for individuals and small projects. This allows limited collaboration on up to 3 files. Also, for the advanced features like unlimited files, version history, team libraries and enhanced collaboration, you will need to upgrade to a paid professional plan which costs $16 to $55 per user month. If you are a student or the educator using the Figma, then basic use is free. You can use this subscription. Simply select the starter subscription and then click on this continue button at the bottom right. Again, from the left side, here choose one of these options. What would you like to do first? And then click on this finish button lastly. After that, you will see you have successfully signed up for Figma account. Now you will be able to use this account. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign up for Figma account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.